There are 7 days in 1 week. Let's talk about the days of the week. Let's count the days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We have 7 days in 1 week. Let's say them together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We have 7 days. Monday to Friday are weekdays. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. These days are weekdays. On weekdays, I go to work. I go to work Monday to Friday. On weekdays, students go to school. Students go to school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Students go to school from Monday to Friday. On Saturday, I clean my house. And on Saturday, I go to the gym. Sunday is the weekend too. On Sundays, I rest at home and I spend time with my husband. Let's look at the days of the week one more time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday to Friday, I go to work. Monday to Friday, students go to school. Saturday and Sunday is the weekend. On Saturday, I clean my house and go to the gym. On Sunday, I relax at home and spend time with my husband. What day comes after Wednesday? Thursday. Thursday comes after Wednesday. What day is before Wednesday? Tuesday. Tuesday comes before Wednesday. What day comes 2 days after Wednesday? Friday. Friday comes 2 days after Wednesday. What day comes 2 days before Wednesday? Monday. Monday is 2 days before Wednesday. Which 2 days is the weekend? Which 2 days is the weekend? Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sunday is the weekend. Today, we talked about the days of the week. See you soon.